How to view Instagram feed in chronological order. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram feed in chronological order. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Instagram application itself, please visit your App Store or your Play Store right here and check if Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features, especially in viewing your Instagram feed in chronological order. After you have made sure of that, just open up your Instagram app right here and make sure that you are currently on your homepage. If you're in any other page, for example, if you're currently on your homepage, just simply click on your home button right here at the bottom left corner and you will be in the homepage. After that, this is a very simple thing to do, so you just have to click on the Instagram logo right here at the top left part of the screen that says Instagram. And what you're going to click is following. And in this page, you will see the posts that are from the accounts that you have followed. And this is also in chronological order. So you can just scroll through here. As you can see, it is in chronological order. Like for this post, it is posted 5 hours ago. This is from 9 hours ago, 11 hours, 14 hours. So these are the set of posts that are in chronological order from the accounts you have followed. Also from here, you can't see any suggested posts, so only merely from the accounts that you have followed. So that is how you can basically view your Instagram feed in chronological order. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.